So check this out, fam. I know y'all seen that thumbnail that said 2 organic radishes for $5, right? So that means we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, almost $60 growing in 1 square foot. What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you how to grow one of the easiest vegetables at home in containers. Radish. Radish is one of the easiest and fastest vegetables to grow at home. Radish only takes 25 to 30 days before it's ready to harvest. And that's why it's one of the fastest vegetables to grow in the garden. Check it out. It's a perfect vegetable to grow with your kids because it's something that they won't forget about before it's time to harvest. So I know your next question is, why is it so easy to grow? It's so easy to grow because you don't even have to fertilize it. All you need is loose and healthy soil. Because if you add fertilizer to your soil, your radish might focus more on its leafy greens and not the radish. So that's why you don't want to add fertilizer. Just make sure you have loose and healthy soil. That's all you need. Another tip is making sure you never start them in seed starter trays. The best way to plant is directly in the soil because they only take a month to harvest. So you don't want to slow down the process by having to transplant them. Trust me, it's not necessary. So we have 2 varieties of radish growing in this container. We have French breakfast on this side, and we have cherry bell on this side. And the difference between these 2 radishes is that the French breakfast look like this and the cherry bell look like this. And if you're wondering what kind of soil, it's red clay and compost. If you want to harvest them with your lettuce, make sure you plant a month after you plant your lettuce seeds. That way you can harvest them both at the same time. So your lettuce look like that and your radish is getting ready. We planted these 2 varieties of radish October 11. Check them out. So this is how radish seeds look. Check it out. These right here are the cherry bell radish seeds. And these are the French breakfast radish seeds. These are not ready to harvest, but let's check this one out and see how it looks 20 days old. Let's see. And this right here is a French breakfast radish. Check it out, you see? Root vegetable. And you can also put these in your salad as well. Leafy greens, look at that. French breakfast radish.